how to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So to fix your Share My Location not working, you'll have to open up the iPhone settings and then scroll down there. You'll find privacy and security. Tap on it and then tap on location services and make sure that it is toggled on. So if it is toggled on, go to the apps from which you want to share the locations. So you have to tap on one of the apps and then you can see allow location access. So make sure you tick it to while using the app. So once you tick on while using the app, you can see precise location pop up. So make sure it is toggled on too, because precise location allows apps to use your specific location. However, if you toggle it off, then only your approximate location will be tracked. So if you want a precise location, make sure you toggle it on and do it for other apps as well. So if you set all the settings to while using, then all your apps will be able to share your location. So it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.